look up at the sky, ask it why are you all so afraid? Never thought that I could describe such a lonely place. Now there's all this space, nothing can replace. Letting go of you was my one mistake. Counting every day, no, I'm not okay. I just wanna say I need a favor.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today is November 10th. Today we're gonna do a what I eat in a day. Now that I've been working out and like taking care of myself and eating so much better, I thought this would be a good idea. So we're gonna start with coffee. So yes, I do drink coffee every single morning. If I don't drink coffee, I won't get a headache, but I would be very sleepy, and we don't want that. So coffee. From my last clip, if you didn't see, I used a Starbucks blend. Oh, I poured caramel syrup, sugar-free, but it's very good. I also used a coconut milk, a almond milk, and whipped cream. I suffer from, I'm gonna put the description of it right here so you can know. But basically, I am in a very strict diet for that, and basically I can't eat anything with gluten or grains or sugar, like refined sugar. I know with the milk I kind of did, but it's okay. I also can't eat lactose. I can't eat lactose or dairy, hence the almond milk, but I really like it though. But basically after this I'm gonna make breakfast. I think I'm having like eggs with something. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so actually it has been a couple hours and I have been watching TikTok this whole time. So now let's make some breakfast. So as I said before, we are gonna make some eggs. I don't know if I want to make like scrambled eggs or just, I don't know, fried. Oh my god, I am gonna eat this too. It's gluten-free. It's caramel flavored rice cakes. They're so good. I'm gonna make 3 eggs and 1 is for my dog. We're gonna crack this egg. Okay, so now I like to toast my rice cakes. Ta-da! This is my breakfast. I'm gonna show you real quick. So I have 2 rice cakes and 2 fried eggs, and I still have my coffee.